All right, solving multi-step equations. When we studied the order of operations, we followed PEMDAS, where you started with parentheses and worked your way down. However, when we solve, we still follow PEMDAS, however, backwards. Now, order of operations, you start at P and work your way down. However, when we're solving, you start with addition and subtraction and work your way backwards. All right, now, there's some steps when you solve equations. Step 1 is simplify both sides of the equation. Step 2 we'll worry about in the next video. Then, just like we discussed here, you get rid of addition and subtraction first, then you get rid of multiplication and division. Second semester we'll work on exponents. But for right now, let's look at this one. I always like to draw my line. Simplify both sides. Nothing to do here. 6x plus 7, we can't combine those, so that's all set. Step 2, we'll wait. Step 3, get rid of addition and subtraction. So we got to get rid of this positive 7. Remember, we're trying to get x by itself, which means that everything else that's hanging around x needs to go away. So here we're left with negative 11 minus 7 is negative 18 equals 6x. All right, so we simplified, got rid of addition and subtraction. Now we get rid of the multiplication. So you're going to divide by 6 on both sides. This says 6 times x, divide by 6. Negative 3 is x. There is a step 5, of course, and that is to check your answer. Plug it in and get 6 times negative 3 is negative 18, plus 7 is negative 11. So we know we're right. Let's try another example. Number 2 here. Draw my line. Simplify both sides. So on this one, negative 3 plus 4p plus p is plus 5p equals 17. Now to get rid of this negative 3, we're going to add 3 to both sides. Get rid of addition and subtraction. So you're left with 5p equals 20. And it says 5 times p. So you're going to divide by 5 on both sides. So you get p is 4. Check your answer. Negative 3 plus 12 plus 4. Negative 3 plus 12 is... Oh, excuse me. Negative 3 plus 16. 4 times 4 is 16. Negative 3 plus 16 is 13. Plus 4 is 17. So we know that we're right. All right, next example. Get rid of it. Simplify both sides. Can't do anything. So we get rid of addition and subtraction. Add 6 to both sides. So now you got h divided by 3 equals negative 2. Like I said, this is h divided by 3. So instead we're going to multiply by 3. H is negative 6. Negative 6. This one, don't let the fraction scare you. Distribute. Simplify first. So we're going to distribute on both sides. So you got 5/3 b plus, now if you use your calculator, 5 divided by 3 times 9 is 15. Is equal to 10. All right, so we simplified by distributing. Step 3, eliminate addition and subtraction. So we're going to subtract 15 from both sides. So now you're at 5/3 b equals negative 5. Now, as we discussed in the last video, there's a couple ways to get rid of this. One way, this says 5 divided by 3. So we can multiply by 3 on both sides and get 5b equals negative 15. Hold on, guys. Then divide by 5 on both sides, and you get b is negative 3. So that's solving multi-step equations.